Mabagal na ba ang iPhone mo at palagi naglalag? Tara, solusyonan natin. This is part 14 of the iPhone tips that you should know. Kung napapansin mo na bumabagal ang iPhone mo at naglalag na ito, kailangan mo itong i-force restart. So paano nga ba mag-force restart? To do that, just tap on the volume up and volume down and hold the lock button. Huwag mo muna i-release yung lock button until it restarts and show the Apple logo. And now, you can enjoy your iPhone na parang bagong bili mo ito. Para sa second tip naman, ito yung palagi kong ginagawa kapag bumabagal yung data or yung Wi-Fi connection ko. Turn on the airplane mode for at least 10 seconds and turn it back on. So what it does is it restarts the connection between your phone's Wi-Fi and data. Third, kung palagi ka naka-low power mode, well, I hate to break it to you, but that is one of the reasons why mabagal ang iPhone mo. You see, when this is turned on, it prevents tasks at matagal bago matapos i-process yung mga power-intense apps. So from now on, only use the low power mode on in case na wala ka talagang source of power or hindi ka makapag-charge. So for more iPhone tricks, battery saving tips, and Apple updates, follow